Alrighty guys, I'm back here with the Tracker, doing the quick little oil change. Doesn't look too bad. It's not black and it actually has some colors to it, so. Gonna drain that. Doesn't seem like there's too much in it. Because it's only been draining for like a minute. It's already almost done. So I'll put the filter on. Well, I'll pull the old filter and put the new one on. And then we'll throw some oil in this thing and then give it a quick bath and it's ready to go home. Go for it.
Oh, hi.
Oil's changed. She nice. Bath time and ready for Anthony to pick her up.
That's a nice little car.
Yeah, let's look at the actual books and all the stuff. Yeah, it's a good little ride. I like it.
It's different than what we normally do, so.
Yeah, I like it because it's different. And it's obscure. But it's over 20 years old. It meets our criteria.
I like that it's a stick.
You like to row the boat, don't you?
Yeah.
And with that, bath time.